Hello everyone and welcome to this exciting presentation on Hello World in 8 programming languages. Whether you are an absolute beginner or someone exploring new languages, this session is designed to show how the most popular languages introduce themselves with just one simple phrase, Hello World. We will not only look at the syntax but also understand the background and role of each language. Let's get started on this fun and informative journey. Before we dive into the code, let's understand why Hello World matters. In programming, it's the simplest piece of code you write to make sure everything is working. It confirms that your environment is correctly set up, the syntax is understood, and output is being displayed. But it's more than just that. It's a rite of passage for every programmer. Across every language, platform, or tool, the very first thing most people write is this simple greeting to the digital world. Let's begin with JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the core technologies of the web. It powers interactivity on websites from buttons to animations. Writing Hello World in JavaScript is as easy as typing console.log hello world. This code tells the browser's console to display the message. It's a perfect example of JavaScript's simplicity and why it's often the go-to for web developers. The line is short, direct, and instantly gives feedback, great for beginners. Next up is Python. Known for its clean and readable syntax, Python is a favorite in data science, AI, automation, and education. The line print hello world is all it takes. No semicolons, no class declarations, no fuss. This minimalism is part of what makes Python so powerful. It lets you focus on logic rather than formatting. Python encourages you to write human readable code, and that's why it's become so dominant in recent years. Now let's talk about Java. Java is a class-based, object-oriented programming language widely used in enterprise environments, Android apps, and large-scale systems. Unlike Python or JavaScript, it requires more structure. Here, how it works. You create a class called Hello World, define a main method, and inside it write system.out.println Hello World. While this may seem verbose, Java's strict structure prepares developers for building robust, scalable applications. C++ is a compiled high-performance language used in everything from operating systems to video games. Your first C++ program starts with hash include IOStream, which includes the library needed for output. Then inside the main function, we write cout hello world endl. It's a bit technical, but extremely powerful. This language gives you fine control over memory and system resources, which is why it's still taught in computer science programs worldwide. C hash, pronounced as C sharp, is a widely used programming language which was developed by Microsoft. It's used heavily in Windows development and in gaming via the Unity engine. Just like Java, it uses a class structure. In our Hello World program, we define a class, create a main method, and use console.writeLine Hello World to output our message. C Sharp blends modern language features with strong typing, making it both powerful and safe. Now we move to SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language. Unlike other languages we have seen, SQL isn't used to build applications, it's used to manage and retrieve data from databases. A simple query like select hello world will return the string as a result. There's no main method, no print function, just a direct request to get data. SQL is everywhere, websites, apps, analytic tools. It's the backbone of modern data-driven software. Rust is a modern systems programming language that offers memory safety without needing a garbage collector. It's fast, secure, and catching on quickly in industries that demand performance like embedded systems and game engines. Writing println hello world inside a main function demonstrates how Rust balances safety with simplicity. Though the syntax resembles C-like languages, Rust introduces features that prevents bugs at compile time, making it both powerful and trustworthy. Go or Golang was developed at Google with the goal of making scalable systems simple to build. It uses package structure, and to print hello world, you include the fmt package and use fmt.println hello world inside your main function. Go is statistically typed, compiles quickly, and is widely used for building web servers, APIs, and cloud native software. Its minimalism and performance make it ideal for modern development. Here's a side-by-side comparison of our Hello World code snippets. As you can see, Python and JavaScript are very short and readable. On the other hand, Java and C++ require more boilerplate, but that structure prepares you for larger scale projects. Each language has its own syntax and style, reflecting its purpose and design philosophy. Whether it's simplicity, structure, or power, every language brings something unique to the table. Hello World may seem trivial, but it marks a very important milestone. It's the first proof that your code works. It's your introduction to a new way of thinking, of building, and of creating. As you have seen, different languages have different ways to say the same thing, but at the heart of all of them is a desire to communicate. As you continue your programming journey, let this simple phrase remind you: big things always start small.